Okay guys, we're going down from the crater already. Hike down will be easier than hike up lah, but need to watch your step. Quite scary. So steep. Don't want to go up, so tired. Okay guys, almost halfway down. Went down the stairs. Wow, it's really challenging to went up. Just now, by the way, there's a group of young guys like in their early 20s to mid 20s. They stop and sit halfway on the stairs. That's why I said young also will be challenging. Even though I'm not that young now, right? But I wish I've done this when I was younger. So if you guys there are still young, right? Go and do it. Yeah? Don't waste time. Look at my wife, also no longer young. Okay, baby? You're... Okay.
You know, I'm scared that the horses might just kick me.
No, you won't.
There's so many horses, you know. Like,
yeah, you see the horses there? Poor, right? Okay. I don't want to offend like the local here. I understand it's a source of income, way of earning, right? They've been doing it for decades maybe. But to be honest, motorbike currently can go, but they don't allow. And by the way, when I said motorbike, I can go up, you know why? Because all the drinks stall vendors up there, they rode their motorbike up here, this way. Can be done lah, especially if you ride dirt bike, can be done. I think the story's done it before also, if I'm not wrong. I seen on YouTube. Okay, wait. You show again? How the horse just now? How the horse just now? Yeah, the horse are limping. One of the horse is limping. Now of course, okay, imagine you have to bring heavy load. Then the pathway is not even, you see. It's not even. It's already challenging for us adults to climb up. Or down, even down also. My wife said his knee feel what? Shaky. The knee. Then some more, imagine. I don't want to say any more, enough. Okay, just finish hiking. Eat breakfast. Nasi rawon.
Yes.
Nice.
Very nice. Tastes like home. Tastes like home without the babat titil.
Okay guys, currently we at Savannah. We just stopped here to take photo. Nice place. I think almost every corner of Bromo is nice. You can see truck going there. B, stand up. You love this place?
Yes.
You love Bromo?
Yes.
I think at least must come once, Bromo, in life, Like so, nature beauty, Nature beauty lah. Yeah lah. I mean, you see, you got volcano at the side with ashes. Then you got greenery here. Wow. And we are not done yet. Okay, by the way, this is our guide, Alvin. Alvin namanya. Okay. Without him, I think I wouldn't be able to ride on the sand. Because I took some tips from him. Because the sand, some part of the sand, actually ash, is soft, soft. If you're not careful, if you never play trail or dirt bike before, you are normal road rider, then sure you'll find it challenging in the beginning. But for those who into extreme biking, dirt bike, or even mountain biking, they know the fundamental. I think should be okay lah. The soft part is difficult. The hard part is okay. The soft part is challenging. You see, it's nice for trail bike to play here actually. Just now I play do donut all that, but don't look so nice. So I don't know. I don't want to record. Okay, see you guys later. Okay guys, we are at the another part of Bromo. Mas, apa nama tempat ni? Namanya apa? Kalau dia sini. Kamu juga lupa. Hillside aja lah ya. Ni sudah bukan savana ya.
Bukan savana.
Bukan savana. I don't know, it's somewhere near the hillside. Okay, our pen 360 is very beautiful. Feel like I'm not in Indonesia. Nice ride. Which is really challenging, man, riding off-road. If you guys can see over there, you see all the off-roads. But it's fun. It's fun, but yeah, not for everyone, I think. Okay, now I think I want to fly drone. This place deserves the drone to be fly. I don't know if I put the sentence correctly. Okay, we'll see. Okay guys, this is our last spot in Bromo. We want to check it out. This place very popular lately, very viral. Okay, Bromo Hillside. It's a restaurant, cafe. Nice, huh? Oh, very tired today, very hectic. Enough, this is the last spot. Want to go back to hotel and sleep. My wife tired already and sleepy. Okay guys, this is the cafe. It's very huge. There's indoor seating and outdoor seating.
The fog is coming towards us.
Yeah, it's getting very foggy.
No, it's coming, it's coming.
Is it fog or cloud?
It's better.
Actually can go up some more, but too tired.
Yeah.
Too tired to
Oh
go.
my god, don't want.
Too tired. Because after the Mount Bromo crater hike, wow, and we so-called haven't sleep since last night. Yeah, because we started our trip at midnight. Yeah, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It's not every day you will do something like this, so it's okay. Today is sort of a day 2. I'm still in Kota Batu in Malang, Indonesia. Okay, yesterday after the Mount Bromo trip, I was so tired, so hectic. I just rest in the room, do nothing. Okay, today is already like 12 afternoon. I'm now preparing for my day tour in Kota Batu. I will hire a driver and to bring me around because I don't have much time to do it my own lah, like rent a bike or car drive, because I don't have much days in Malang actually. So I will just use a driver service. So this is the beginning of a new day. Yesterday was so tiring, but it was fun. It was worth it. I'm so glad that I did it. I don't know when I'm going to do it again, but it's really tiring and hectic, but worth it. By the way, this afternoon view in front of my hotel. So nice. Okay, I'll bring you guys around later during my outing. Okay guys, we are going out for a new day. Today is sort of like a day 2 abis because yesterday the whole day at Bromo, then come back evening, the whole evening until morning sleep. How many hours sleep?
My watch says 11.
Okay, let's go. Our driver waiting downstairs. I don't know reach already or not. Nice the view, baby.
Yes.
I flew drone just now, but I don't dare to go that far because got so many cables. You guys see the cables there? Dangerous for drone, you know. I don't know that one. What network cable or electric cable? Here come, let's go. So guys, today our driver going to bring us to around Kota Batu and Kota Malang. Because we cannot go far, we don't have enough. Tomorrow we're flying off to another island of Indonesia. So today we can just go wherever the driver thing suit us. Okay, you guys join us. The swimming pool. Since the weather here is too cold to swim, we don't bother. Even afternoon also, it's not that humid, you know, here. It's currently, actually we already took the driver car. He bring us to waterfall, quite near to our hotel, about 30 minutes away. 30 minutes away. So yes, we're going to check it out. According to him, it's very nature and got waterfall or that. Huh?
I think it's less than
20 minutes. It's not that far. Actually, the hotel that we stayed is very, what is it? There's a lot of attractions in the hotel. It's just that our purpose to visit is to go to Bromo. So, because we don't have much time, we cannot go that far. We want to go to like Tumpak Sewu waterfall, or cannot, no time. Tomorrow we're flying off. So, yeah, I'll show you guys ahead. See the waterfall nice or not. Okay guys, we are walking to the waterfall. Very jungle, very jungle-like. Very nature. Hope it's nice. According to the driver, I asked him whether this waterfall need to hike down or up or not. He said no need. Okay, but now I can see there's a gradual hike. Because I told him we don't want to hike anymore after yesterday. Okay guys, this is the waterfall. Oh. Okay lah, quite nice but I know there's better waterfall in around this area. This is one of them. Do you think it's nice, maybe?
I think it is.
Huh?
It's nice.
Look at the waterfall. Oh.
The tourist said it's going to look like Jurassic Park.
I think it is. Is this it or there's more?
That's it.
I think that's it. And we paid 40,000 rupiah for it.
Okay lah. Okay lah.
Quite tall the waterfall. Okay, now you want to take photo. Take photo first. Okay guys, we have spent time here taking photos and videos. Actually, it's very nice, the base. The waterfall is nice, very tall. Yeah. But to be honest, I've seen a lot of waterfall in Indonesia. I've been to Bali, numbers of waterfall. So I think this, to me is okay but not like Tumpak Sewu or what, not really that. Wow, this one is okay, quite tall. Yeah. So basically, this attraction, you pay ticket, you come just for this. And I don't think you can even swim. Yeah, you cannot swim the waterfall. Yeah, they got the signage there. Mohon tidak melewati batas, which means you cannot cross this fence. Okay, let's see after this where we go. Okay guys, currently my driver bring us to Puncak Bukit Banyak. Puncak Bukit Banyak, Mas. By the way, this is my super for the day, my guide. Yeah. What's your name?
Risky.
Coba ya.
Yeah.
Rizky, very nice guy. Because actually in this Kota Batu, I don't really have idea other than Bromo and the famous waterfall where else to visit. So I just hire a driver as a guide to guide me around. I will show you guys the view. It's nice, huh? Okay, and another spot of the viewpoint, I think in Malang and Kota Batu, there's a lot of nice viewing spot. Sometimes seeing all these nice viewing spot like up the mountain, I like wish Singapore we have this kind of nature, where you can just ride up late night, chill, buy snacks, drinks. But we are lacking this. Okay, after that viewing point just now we at restaurant want to eat. This is a nice restaurant. The name is Di Bambu. I love Batu. Ini cari ya.
Dari situ.
Ya.
Nanti.
Kamu ikut?
Ya.
Mana? Situ? Okey. Boleh. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Yes.
No, I'm just taking the menu video.
Okay, take a video.
Lady ya. Okay guys, currently we're waiting for our food in this restaurant. The restaurant got nice view. Very nice. We invited our driver to join us for a meal. Initially he want to sit somewhere and then I called him lah. Since he's nice the guy. Baby, you hungry already, baby?
Yes.
Why you hungry?
Huh?
We ate just now 10 AM. It's only 6 hours. Now 4 o'clock.
Digestion takes about 4 hours.
Digestion 4 hours. In Indonesia, smoke gudang garam. But now I miss Marlboro. I asked my driver to go and buy Marlboro at the nearby Minimart. I miss the normal cigarette taste. This place also actually quite nice. Got a lot of koi fish. Koi fish?
Koi.
Koi yeah, a lot of koi fish.
I think in Google there were more kois.
Yeah,
and now
very
there's
nice. I noticed
less koi.
nearby my hotel, right, there's a lot of nice restaurants. Very cool, very hip, very nice. This one of them. Actually got more.
Yeah.
Got more. Okay, later the food come, I will record the food. Bye. Okay, our food has arrived. Oh, ikan bakar. Ayam penyet. You can You can eat or not? Java sambal very spicy, you know.
Okay lah.
Can you manage or not? You don't action.
It's okay lah.
But can. Malay can. Orang Melayu boleh.
I Malay, but my COVID tongue problem already.
Oh, COVID tongue ah. Yeah, after having COVID then
Second
she
COVID.
suddenly cannot take spicy food anymore.
COVID spoil everything.
Yeah. Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, today is our last day in Indonesia, Java, East Java Island, in Malang, Batu. Okay, after this we're going to head to the airport. We are heading for another Indonesia city. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, we're already at Surabaya Airport. We're going to take our flight soon, Juanda Surabaya Airport, to head to our next destination. Okay, currently we're at A&W restaurant, and I'm quite surprised to see they have nasi lemak here. Nasi lemak in Indonesia. It's nice. And this is special. How can a root beer float with a chocolate ice cream?
Can.
Can ah? So you happy? Nice or not? Only in Indonesia. My one, where's the foam? No foam already. My one not a float My one just root beer. Okay, see you guys later. Okay guys, I think for this series of this city, okay, Surabaya, Malang, Bromo, I will close the vlog here. I would like to thank everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Anything you guys can leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be the video in the city I'm traveling to. I will let you guys know later. Thanks everyone for watching. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please help me like this video, yeah. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.